This video lecture, I'm going to discuss about filter transformation in Informatica Power Center. So this is all important point related with the filter transformation. So this is active and connected transformation, and with the help of this filter transformation, we can filter the record from the mapping. And filter transformation is active transformation when you are going to give the condition inside the filter transformation. So number of rows passes through the mapping directly affect. Okay, and we can only give one condition inside the filter transformation. To give the multiple condition, use their broader transformation. So this is the important point about the filter transformation. Only one condition you can give there. And here, if filter transformation is set to true, so number of rows that passes through the mapping, there is no any changes. So in this case, so this works as a passive transformation. So let's see the example of this filter transformation. So here, this is mapping designer first going to create the one new mapping. Let's give here meaningful name of this mapping. M underscore filter underscore transformation. And the mapping that's created, there I'm going to use the source or their or HR and employees. So employees or whatever that's going to select, because here or let's see the record inside the employees. So here or this is the record inside the employees. So there I'm going to filter records on the basis of department. Okay, and in upcoming video there I will discuss about how to find the highest salary between the two dates using filter. So let's see here or this. So this department ID, there you can see there are so many duplicate record. So I'm gonna display only department ID 100 records. So we can give the condition there. So for this we need to use their filter transformation. So filter transformation we need to use. So this here, this is the filter transformation. Let's take and paste there. So let's select this all. And now or there. So here filter condition by default this is true. If you didn't specify any condition is there, so it work like a passive transformation because number of rows incoming and passing both are same. So in this case going to give you some condition. So let's take their port. So going to use department ID. So I wanna display this department ID the value only 100. So let's use equal and 100. So thereafter, there you can see the validate button is there. So you need to click on this validate button. Parsed successfully, and here department ID 100. This is parsing and department ID font. So this font there, and after that, the next is let's use their target table. So target going to use this or dummy, and let's select this all. And save the mapping. After that, let's go on this workflow manager, and here going to create one new session. So there are so many sessions that's already created. Let's create one new. So our mapping is filter transformation. So name should be meaningful. Then you can easily identify the mapping. Then let's give here, click on this mapping here source. So this come from HR. There is no any chances. And here let's go on this dummy, and this making go normal, and truncate option going to enable. And if you click on this filter, here you can see this is department ID 100. This is the condition that's set it there. So let's click on this apply and OK, and stabilize the link between this workflow and the session. So let's check that, save the workflow, and now let's click on this start task. So here you can see this succeeded. Now let's go on this target and click on this preview. So this also come from the HR. Press enter. Here you can see this only displaying department ID 100. So this here called in. So only 100 or department ID value that's displaying there. So here you can see this all. So only 100. And if you like to know about more about the transformation details, so let's go on this get session log. And here, so this insert operation, and here you can see this query that performed there. So this here SQ source qualifier, SQ run query. So this selecting all the columns from this employees table. So this query that perform and start the session. And now 107 record, that's read there. And here you can see this only 107 record that's come from the source. Okay, and after applying this filter transformation, or this loaded there only 6 record. So that means filter transformation is here active transformation, because number of rows that passes through the mapping, that's directly changes there. Okay, this is the one important point. Here you can see this incoming is 107, and now load into the target that go only 6 record. So here you can see this all process, and now here you can see this is source qualifier 107, and our target only 6 record that's loaded there. So session end of this, and this is how this filter transformation that's work there. Okay, and now the next is here. So on this filter transformation, you can specify only one condition. Filter condition is only one is there. You can only give one condition. Inside you can write so use suitable formula insert there, but only give one condition on this filter transformation. And let's see other point about the filter transformation. So only one condition we can give. For more condition, you need to give here or router. And if the properties are set true, so what exactly happened? There is no any changes on this flow, so that it works like a passive transformation. And here connected transformation, filter is a connected transformation, or because this connected with the previous transformation source qualifier, and this connected with the next transformation, these are targetable, this connected there. Okay, so that this is a connected transformation, or filter is a connected transformation. Okay, so link must be stabilized between other transformation when you are using filter transformation. So this is all important point about the filter transformation. Okay, so this is video lecture 23 is there. I will discuss more more about the filter transformation in upcoming videos, and there I will discuss so many important interview questions related with the filter transformation. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.